This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Today we have a Thermador Stovetop range that is not lighting here on the far right front burner, which is often used more than the other burners. So we're going to use a wire brush to clean some of the parts. This is the igniter, and we want to be careful when we clean the igniter that we don't break the little white porcelain part underneath. So we're using a wire brush. We're just brushing off the metal upper cap. Now we're going to brush the burner head metal surface, the rim that comes in contact with the burner cap, and we're just trying to create a really good metal to metal contact so we have a good strong ground connection, and that'll create a really bright spark that will light up the stove. So we want to use that wire brush and just knock off any grease, any grime, any buildup of material maybe from a boil over. So you want to really polish that. You could use some electrical cleaner too, but usually just a abrasion from a wire brush will do the trick. And also it's good to next super clean the burner cap, this part that goes on top. This has a metal portion too that has to be polished nice and clean. If this has good metal to metal contact with the burner head, then the spark can make a strong jump from the igniter over to the burner cap, and that will cause the gas that's coming up from the center to ignite and give you a nice flame. It should happen right away. Also, you want to get the burner cap on there correctly. So take a good look, make sure the little notch in the cap fits into the notch in the burner head. Move it around until it sits really flat, and then you should get a good flame. So now we've got really good ignition. So I think it was probably just a dirty burner head. And all of these light up really good. The ones to the far left are for the simmer, and they're actually operated off of a different control. I think that simmer control probably is no longer working, has to be replaced. So if you have the Thermador or Bosch range top and you see the left, it's just the simmer controller. Watching our video, and please subscribe to our channel when you get a chance, and also click the little bell notification button so we can send you weekly videos on all the different ways of fixing appliances around your home and saving you lots of money. So thanks again for watching, and please also press the like button for our video if this was helpful to you. Feel free to contact me at the email listed below, which is scottthefixitguy@yahoo.com, with any of your questions. And also, if you need to have a FaceTime meeting with me or a Zoom meeting, you can click on one of the links below in the description, and we can set up a 15-minute or 30-minute video conference where we can work on your appliance problem. So thanks again for all your support and for watching the video.